So, getting back on the road. About 140 miles down so far. About 350 to go. So, we are in Alabama's Appalachian Mountains. It's pretty freaking cool looking. Reminds me a lot of Arkansas. Lots of clay. It's pretty cool. We're almost to Tuscaloosa, about 45 minutes. That's where I'll stop tonight. Pretty decent day, about 500 miles, 550 or so, somewhere there. I'll have to count it up again. I actually took almost this same route on the moped when I went to Florida, so it's kind of cool to see like where I actually rode. I rode on that little strip there on one side or the other of the rumble strip, tiny little spot all the way down through here, 30 miles an hour. Craziness, I can't believe I did all that. It's kind of nice being a little slower. I've been on interstates all day. You know, some back roads, speed limit's a little slower. It's starting to cool off a little bit, which is good because it was freaking warm today. Started off at 63 in Springfield. Well, that was about that was almost around noon, I would guess. No, it was like 10 or 11. It was 63 degrees or wherever I was at. And then I get down this direction and it's 83. So I had to start taking some layers off. It was getting pretty warm. feels pretty freaking awesome. Perfect temperature. I'm just gonna let this record out till the battery stops. Just let it go. You guys can see this little countryside. It's pretty cool, man.
To feel you, I need to feel you, my heart ain't easy, my life ain't complete, yeah. Your lips, I can't resist the tender bits of you. Your hips, I can't resist the tender bits of you. My love is a mystery. Charlie's for history. I'll hold you, I'll kiss you too. I promise to love you true. I can't help it when your eyes shine blue. Sometimes I swear to sapphires. You fill my heart with feelings of burning desire. I want you to know that I love you so. You my takes a toll, at least you know that I love you. That I love you. Yeah. 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 You never ever had a clue. I don't think you even knew. My soul is, it's melting. Please listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. Won't you be mine? Let our lives intertwine. Yeah, I don't think I could make it any clearer that you and me should get nearer. Get closer, why don't ya? Don't make me use a magic potion. But it ain't that easy. And I ain't that easy. I was willing to wait for a while, but you're killing my grace inside. Oh girl, I know you're better than worth it, so let me hold you in my arms. Oh girl, I know you're practically perfect. I would never ever do you no harm. Oh baby, I know that you love me. Why don't you just be mine? Oh baby, you said that you love me, so why don't you be mine?